So here's the app called VeryFit. Exercise keep you fit, record health data, analyze health wellness, record exercise data. Yeah, this app recently is quite high in the charts in the health and fitness category in US. So let's just take a look. I need to say this is like a Chinese app, but this is still it's well built, so you can just open it up and then it's a lot of permissions. As you can see, you need to add. Then you can just allow notification to your health data, and then you can just agree to the privacy policy, and then you need to bind your device and then select your country. Uh, so yeah, for example, you can just select it out here and then just tap done and then just enter your gender, just enter your birth date, whatever, just enter your height, enter your weight, and then next step, and then select your region, and then you can create account or you can just do it later, and then you just see all your health data like steps, sports records, sleep, heart rate, calorie consumption, exercise. You can see the nice map. You can see your device, which you can just add. Um, there are a bunch of devices which you can add here. I think this app is actually good because you can just add bunch of all the different devices. Like this is not like for Apple Watch or something, but mostly like for all other types of, um, yeah, trackers and stuff like that. So yep. Um, so there you have it.